During our visit to Beijing, we visited the Forbidden City, also known as the Forbidden Palace. This palace complex is just across from the Tiananmen Square. On the main entrance in the south, you'll see a large portrait of Chairman Mao on the unmistakable red walls. The city is 961 meters long from south to north and 753 meters wide. The outside perimeter is surrounded by a 10-meter high wall with a 52-meter wide Tongzi moat surrounding it. It now houses the Palace Museum with extensive collection of artwork and artifacts. To enter, we will go through the Meridian Gate with these tall walls that marks the outside perimeter. That's when they check our tickets and have us go through the security checks. At this point, you have the option to rent the audio guide to assist your tour. Once inside of the gate, we crossed over the golden water bridges seen on the left here to approach the Gate of Supreme Harmony. The Forbidden City is so huge, we just took a direct path down the middle of it. That alone took us over 2 hours to wander from the South Gate to the North Gate. Here's another perspective looking back at the Meridian Gate and the Golden Water Bridges. Then we approached the Hall of Supreme Harmony with the grand steps. Inside this compound, it houses the Hall of Middle Harmony, then followed by the Hall of Preserving Harmony. This was the Imperial Palace of China for 492 years, from 1420 to 1912, home of 24 emperors spanning the Ming and the Qing dynasty. The complex covers over 180 acres, of which 38 acres are living spaces, and consists of 980 buildings and over 70 palace compounds with over 8,700 rooms. We are now approaching the Gate of Heavenly Purity. Another look back towards the Hall of Preserving Harmony where we came from. Inside this gate lies the Palace of Heavenly Purity, the Hall of Union, and the Palace of Earthly Tranquility. The city took 14 years to build from 1406 to 1420 and was constructed by over 1 million workers, which includes more than 100,000 craftsmen. Then we enter into the Imperial Garden, where it houses the Gate of Heavenly Peace and the Hall of Imperial Peace. The Forbidden City was declared a World Heritage Site in 1987 and has seen an average of 14 million visitors per year, a maximum of 80,000 visitors per day. Then we exit the Forbidden City on the north side via the Spiritual Valor Gate. A short hike up the hill in Jingshan Park across the street takes you up to the scenic overlook of the entire Forbidden City. Check out how the color comes alive at night if you get the chance.
Thank you for watching.